Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge your cells or columns in your Google Sheet. So let's say I have a couple of rows which I want to merge. Let's say I want to merge all of these rows. All you need to do is select all these rows, and then you see here an option called merge cells. So you can click on it. So it will give a heads up that are you sure you want to merge all these 5 rows. So you can do okay, and then you can see like all the 5 columns are merged. So this is usually we can do when we want to use the space as a header, and then let's say there is a weather report we are giving. Okay, now do a little bit corrections, done. Give a little bit color to it, done. Now let's say I'm giving a country names like A, so I'm giving a random letters. So let's assume all these are places, cities or countries. So you can use, now we are giving the weather for all these cities or countries. So this is how you can use by merging cells. So you can click here and then you can merge how many cells you want to merge. Let's merge these cells, just click on it, and that is it. So all cells got merged. So this is how you can do it. If you want to revert back, all you need to do is Control Z, press as many times as you want to go back. So then all the changes are gone now. So this way you can do it.